Hey Barbara, thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to talk about Aladdin cleaning and restoration, but before we get into that, I do want to shed some light on the three different ways on how you could be found on Google and also different tips and tricks on how we can optimize your presence. So with that, let's get to it. So let's just say, for example, we type in water damage restoration in San Antonio. Now, what you will get that will pop up first on the top would be the sponsored area up here. And these are usually ran by Google Ads, which every month um, you would pay Google to run your um, information up here. So the second way on how you could be found is your Google Business Profile area, known as the Map Pack, where 30% of your business will be acquired through here. Now, keep in mind this is also is a sponsored area, so there's only three positions that you could fight for organically. 30% of your business becomes acquired through here with updated profile and the right citations. You could end up in these three slots. Now, the last way you could be found is or what we call the organic section, which is these three positions here. So United Water Restoration Group is on the top here. Um, so in a nutshell, that's basically the three different ways on how you could be found in Google. So with that, let's start with the first topic, which is content. Now, let's take a quick look at your website. Now, I really like on what you did as far as your logo and everything. Like it looks very original. I like the color scheme that you looked, or excuse me, that you have going on here. I like how you have these drop downs here. Okay, commercial, awesome. Mhm. Duct cleaning, emergency. Okay, now let's do a quick scroll down. All right, emergency services, water and fire damage. That's awesome. All right, so what Google really looks for in the content area is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Now, usually Google likes to take about one keyword for every 250 words of content in the homepage alone. So, with that being said, I mean, let's take a quick look at your competitor and see what they're doing. Here's United Water Restoration Group right here. They have the drop downs here along with their different on their property management, government. Like they have it broken down here. So, but let's continue uh, to look down, or excuse me, to scroll down. Let's take a quick look. Okay, so let's okay, so they got some content here. It looks like they have maybe I would say a roughly 500 or 1,000 words of content, which in turn they do not have, as I could see, they do not have any keywords embedded inside their content. So in a nutshell, for content, that's basically what Google looks for, and just remember that content is key as far as ranking and everything else goes. So, okay, so let's move forward. Let's look at your backlink profile along with your keywords that you are utilizing. So, let's just say that, excuse me, we type in Aladdin cleans.com and we are using this tool. It's called Ahrefs. Anyone can purchase this tool. You can purchase it as well. But this just shows a bird's eye view of where your business is right now as far as um, your website goes. So this is how much traffic that you have going through it. It shows that you got 1.6K keywords. So let's take a quick look. You're actually using 1,484 keywords from the 1,600 keywords. So this is the volume that is going through your website. You got 1K going through the duct cleaning. That's pretty good. So basically, in a nutshell, we have access to all this on every website that we can look up and see how they're doing. So let's take a quick look at your competitor. So this is United Water Restoration. They got a whopping 13.5K traffic going to their website. Now keep in mind that looks like they might be utilizing, let's see, we have 9.4 keywords. They're not using all, or excuse me, Google is not using all of them right now, but they do have significant volume to them. So, so with that in a nutshell, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, with as far as ranking and whatnot, we definitely got to do what they're doing and then some. With proper SEO backlinking, we can definitely get your website there. So let's do a quick recap on what we previously discussed. Now, the three different ways, like we discussed earlier, you have your sponsoreds here, and second way is your Google Business Profile up here in the map pack area, where 30% of your business will be found. And you have these bottom three areas here, um, where 70% of your business will be acquired. Now, if you're not in any of these positions, you're definitely leaving money on the table. Just think of your website as more of like a digital ATM, so to speak. I mean, have it work for you. It's your investment, and that's what matters. So, anyway, in a nutshell, that's about all I have for you today. If you happen to need a guide in any of this, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I am with Peterson SEO. You can reach me at 505-331-7995, or you can reach me, Joshua, at petersonseoconsulting.com. With that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. Bye for now.